that position. She was hired under the PPP regime.
Sorry for if you hear any noise. If you guys hear any noise, I'm sorry. You know, I'm listening to what is going on in my country. So, okay, so this is the ending product. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Yes, this is tomato fish stew. All right, look at it with potato. Right. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some Bangamary fish. This is boneless Bangamary fish that I get from Queens. It's already seasoned up. Alright. I'm going to blend up this tomato because I'm going to make some tomato paste stew. Tomato stew. So I got garlic, red and white onion, green bell pepper. This is some potato, scallion, parsley, and some. This is some fine thyme and 2 Mary pepper. All right, and this is the flour, and I have some black pepper and some cayenne pepper in this flour. I'm gonna mix it all up together. And meanwhile, I'm gonna put the oil. The cannery with the oil to add. This is, right? Stay tuned. So the fish is in the cannery frying. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna start blending up this tomato. Right? Stay tuned. So what I did, I put the bell pepper, garlic, onion, and the tomato, and I'm gonna Alright, I'm finished. I'm gonna fry this up with some oil, so stay tuned. So what I did is transfer the oil over into a bigger pan. So I'm going to use this to start frying back the fish because it's kind of too small and it's not going to hold the amount of fish that I want to fry at one time. Alright. So now I'm gonna continue frying the rest of the fish, and when I finish, then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, stay tuned. So now the fish finished frying. I'm gonna burn some sugar. This is 1 tablespoon sugar. All right.
Sugar need more heat.
So this is on medium heat. Then I'm gonna fry up the blend up seasoning tomato that I just blended up. All right, stay tuned. So see the.
You can use plastic spoon.
I'm gonna throw the so I'm gonna throw the so now I'm gonna add the water. add some more water. See, that is all the water done boil out. So I'm gonna add some more, and then I'm gonna put some salt and a pinch of sugar. All right, last one. So let this boil up to the last time. Whenever you're making this tomato stew, the tomato have to boil up properly. It have to fry up properly, I mean. Alright? Stay tuned. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of this butter tan onion paste. Alright? Oh, jeez. Salt. Pinch of sugar. And I'm going to let it boil up. Look at it. Alright, so boiling. So I'm going to let it boil for another 2 or 3 minutes. As you all know that I already put in the salt, add some sugar, and I had to add some more sugar than the one that I showed to you because it didn't give me the kind of taste that I got. And remember, whenever you burn sugar and it burns too much, it tends to give that a different taste, like a bitter kind of taste. And in order for you to kill that taste, you have to have enough sugar to kill the bitter taste. Alright, so that's what I did. And that is only if you make a mistake and make the sugar burn too much. Alright, if it didn't burn to the extreme, then you don't need to add too much of sugar because you don't want it to be sweet. Right, so stay tuned. Or you don't have to put the fish inside the hair if you don't like your fish to be soaked. Alright, I love it like this, but this is optional. Alright,
In that position, she was hired under the PPP regime.
sorry if you hear any noise. If you guys hear any noise, I'm sorry. You know, I'm listening to what is going on in my country. So, okay, so this is the ending product. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Yes, this is tomato fish stew. Alright, look at it. With potato. Right? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Tomato fish stew. Okay guys, look at it. Yummy.